Welcome back to our channel dedicated to the fascinating world of civil engineering and architecture. Today, we're diving into a captivating topic that brings together both engineering prowess and artistic vision: innovative bridge design. Bridges are more than mere structures. They connect communities, span geographical challenges, and often stand as architectural marvels. In this video, we'll explore some of the most remarkable and forward-thinking bridge designs from around the globe. So, buckle up as we journey through the world of innovative bridge engineering. Let's kick things off with a style that's as elegant as it is efficient: cable-stayed bridges. These bridges use a network of cables to support the bridge deck, creating a visually striking appearance with towering pylons and sweeping cables. One iconic example is the Millau Viaduct in France, which holds the record as the tallest cable-stayed bridge in the world. We'll delve into the engineering principles behind its design and discuss how its innovative aesthetics complement its functionality. Arch bridges, a timeless architectural form, have been given a modern twist through innovative designs. The Gateshead Millennium Bridge in the UK, often referred to as the Blinking Eye Bridge, is a pedestrian bridge that features a unique tilting mechanism to allow ships to pass beneath. We'll explore how this dynamic design achieved a harmonious blend of aesthetics and practicality, enhancing both the urban landscape and river navigation. Suspension bridges have been connecting distant shores for centuries, but modern advancements have taken them to new heights of innovation. The Akashi Kaikyo Bridge in Japan boasts the world's longest central span, defying engineering challenges posed by seismic activity. In the realm of movable bridges, innovation comes in the form of bridges that can adjust and adapt to varying needs. The Tower Bridge in London is a prime example of a drawbridge that accommodates maritime traffic while maintaining its iconic aesthetics. We'll discuss the mechanics behind these movable marvels and explore how they've shaped urban development and transportation strategies. Looking forward, the integration of technology into bridge design is pushing the boundaries even further. 3D printing is emerging as a groundbreaking technique for creating intricate bridge structures with unprecedented precision. The possibilities seem limitless as architects and engineers experiment with designs that were once thought unattainable. We'll take a glimpse into the future and envision the potential of 3D printed bridges. And there you have it, an exploration of innovative bridge design that bridges the gap between engineering excellence and architectural ingenuity. These structures are not only feats of engineering but also symbols of human creativity and determination. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through some of the world's most innovative bridges. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to like and subscribe for more captivating content on civil engineering and architecture. Until next time, keep building, keep innovating, and keep exploring the extraordinary world of design.